Today, we're going to talk about taxes. Dun, dun, dun. It's that time of year. Stay tuned. Hey, Mike, thank you so much for gifting us with some of your time today.
You are very welcome. We're going to talk about everybody's favorite topic, taxes.
I know. So everybody grab your favorite beverage to get through this conversation. But the good news is we have somebody here to give us some useful information to make tax time a little less painful. So Mike, let her rip.
Yeah, so obviously it's tax time. So I've been getting a lot of calls and inquiries from my past clients, not just from this past year, but for many years back. And basically wondering what documents they need, what are their potential advantages or write-offs for, for their home and for their recent purchase. And so I just wanted to share a little bit of information with everybody so they're kind of in the know. So so there's really two potential tax documents, I guess you could say. So if you purchased a home within the last year or in 2023, then your settlement statement will have your closing costs on it. That there may be some of those costs that could be write-offs for you this one time, this first year after you purchase the home. And we always have to make the caveat and say, talk to a tax professional, talk to a tax preparer as to whether that's the case or not. But you will definitely want to have your settlement statement in order to check and see if there are costs that that you can write off to help reduce your tax burden for this year. And then it also has some important information that'll get tracked moving forward for your home purchase. And that's, your purchase date, your purchase price. There's some other things that won't necessarily be needed this year, but they could come up as important things for later on for capital gains questions or other depreciation questions, things like that. Again, just have the document, the settlement statement, and put it in the hands of a tax professional. And then the other document that is needed every single year, you'll want to have this, and that's your 1098 statement. It looks kind of like a W-2. You should get it in the mail or get it electronically, whatever you've opted for from your mortgage servicer. And that should be delivered by February 1st every year. You should get that. And that has some great information on it for you. It tells you how much interest you paid on your mortgage in the previous year. And then it should also tell you in most years how much taxes you paid out of your escrow account if your taxes are paid from the mortgage. And then some of them may even include the insurance amount that was paid. And so those can all be potential write-offs for you, potentially, good information. And that's a document you get every single year that you're paying on a mortgage.
Yeah. And then circling back to the settlement statement. So I will frequently have clients that get a hold of me and they're obviously given either a hard copy or a thumb drive digital copy of all of their closing documents at the closing table. But I mean, let's face it, life happens. You're moving. Where did it go? I don't know. And I always get the apologetic phone call. I'm so sorry, but can you help me with this? Okay, first thing, please don't apologize. Life happens. We get it. It is too easy for us as your agents to request that from the title company for you. And also, if you have the information for the title company, you can go there directly. But, your real estate agent is going to be more than happy to help facilitate that for you and get it. And it's okay.
That's a great point. And my team and I actually, we send an email every February 1st. And it goes out to every client that closed in the last year. And it basically just says, hey, just a reminder, your tax documents are ready. And like this year, for example, we probably had 30, 40 people reach back out and say, hey, could I get that settlement statement from you? And we're more than happy to oblige, just like you said.
Yeah. And you guys are always ahead of the curve, obviously, with sending out those emails. That's one of the things that's so great about working with you and your team specifically. So
one other thing I just wanted to throw in there is, there was a number of years there where we kind of lost a lot of the tax benefits of owning a home. Right. They just went away. Rates were super low. The standard deductions got increased, 4, 5, 6 years ago. And so it just meant that most people did not write off. They didn't itemize their taxes any longer. I just want to let people know, anybody who's purchased in the last probably 2 years or so, the interest rate and the loan amounts are probably high enough that you should consider and look at itemizing on your tax return. That itemization and that mortgage interest write-off, that might be more beneficial to you on your income taxes than the standard deduction at this point. And so while we don't like high rates and high prices and things like that, that is one benefit, absolutely, without a doubt, that it could potentially save you thousands on your taxes. I mean, it's possible.
Yeah. Who doesn't love saving money on taxes, right? Keep more in your pocket, especially with shrinkflation and everything going on right now.
Yes, absolutely.
talking about that, for our first time viewers, can you let us know where you, Mike.Morrison at Movement Mortgage, can assist, and also outside of your particular area where Movement Mortgage can assist?
Yeah, absolutely. So I am licensed in Idaho, Washington, Oregon, and California. So I can directly serve and help in those states. And then Movement is licensed in all 50 states. So if it's the other 46, we've got somebody to help you.
All right. And just call you and you'll be able to direct them to an agent as
Yes,
great as you, right?
absolutely.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And for anybody, again, who is a first-time viewer here, I am licensed in Idaho, and I predominantly service the Southeast Idaho area, which is Idaho Falls and the surrounding area. So if you have any questions about real estate, please do give me a call as well. And if you're looking for an agent in another area, even globally, I can assist and help you find a great one. So if this is the first time, please do stay tuned. Watch us again. Mike and I are coming to you just about every week, bringing you useful information. And if there's anything that you want to know specifically, comment down below and let us know. We'd be happy to kind of customize our content to be more helpful to you. So thank you again, and we'll see you next week.
Yeah. See ya.